Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. The question is largest amount of phosphate energy is produced in the process of respiration during glycolysis. So the key concept जो हम discuss करेंगे इसके अंदर key concept it will be glycolysis or you can also call it as respiration as a whole. तो जब हम बात करते हैं glycolysis की तो glycolysis is a part of this respiration. Apart from that, the other part of respiration is oxidative decarboxylation and Krebs cycle. It also includes ETC, which is electron transport chain. When we talk about the amount of phosphate bond energy, let us compare it. जब भी हम बात करते हैं ग्लाइकोलिसिस के थ्रू glycolysis, oxidative decarboxylation and Krebs cycle. The amount of NADPH obtained, NADH2 obtained, FADH obtained, ATP obtained and GTP obtained. Let us look into it. जब ग्लाइकोलिसिस की हम बात करते हैं तो ग्लाइकोलिसिस में 2 NADH2 हम ऑब्टेन करते हैं और 0 FADH2 अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट 2 ATP भी हम ऑब्टेन करते हैं, ऑलराइट, एंड 0 GTP. जब ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन की बात करेंगे तो ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन के दौरान हम ऑब्टेन करते हैं 1 NADH2 एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट नन ऑफ देम. क्रेब्स साइकिल की बात करें, लेट अस लुक इनटू इट. क्रेब्स साइकिल में हम NADH2 3 ऑब्टेन करते हैं, FADH2 1 ऑब्टेन करते हैं और ATP भी 1 ऑब्टेन करते हैं. ATP or GTP you can call any one of them. Mainly it is GTP, so it will be 0 over here and it will be 1. जब हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो एक NADP की वैल्यू NADH2 की वैल्यू 1 NADH2 it is equals to 3 ATP and 1 FADH2 or DH it is equals to 2 ATP. Putting the value of all of them respectively, what we will getting is that, suppose in this process we get a total of 8 ATP. In this process 2 ATP and in this process we get a total of 12 ATP in one cycle. So the largest amount of phosphate bond energy means phosphate bond energy means ATP, energy in the form of ATP where the phosphate is present. Now the largest amount of phosphate bond energy is obtained during Krebs cycle and the amount of phosphate bond energy obtained during glycolysis is ATP, which is 4 ATP less than the Krebs cycle. Thus Krebs cycle is the largest. Hope you all understood. All the best.